Wow, early March and flowers in bloom already. These are snowdrops. Are they the first sign of spring? Not really. Oftentimes these will come up right out of the snow. These have been up here more than a week, and they're in full flower now. And they're not native either. These are native to Europe or the Mideast or somewhere in the Old World. I'm not exactly sure because there are a number of species of these, and I'm not sure which species these are. These were planted here before I bought the house, so they're likely 50 years old or more. They'd be interesting to know how long they live, but they spread. Whether these spread by seed or not, I don't know. But chipmunks or other animals might dig them up and bury them elsewhere, and then you'll get other patches.